Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set double space on Google Docs Mobile. So here I've already opened my Google Docs Mobile and I'm going to open the file. Okay, okay. So as you guys can see here, this paragraph has single space and I want to make it a double space. So what you need to do is block the paragraph. Okay, oops, sorry, click on the pencil icon first, this one, then block the paragraphs or the part that you want to change its space. Okay, here now click on the A at the top, this one, click on the paragraph tab, and here's if you see at the bottom line spacing, you can just increase it to 2 like this to have that double space. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.